Right, biking tayo ngayon. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga kung saan ka man sa mundo ngayon. Alright, on to Ipugnot at your service by Let's Go Biking. Samahan nyo kami with Easy dito sa Wijek. Magbabike-bike lang kami, ikot-ikot dito. Alright, so let's go! Let's go! Let's ride!
Let's go to Athens.
Ah?
If we go to Athens, she's gonna be so mad.
Yeah, for sure. Really, come here.
First, I'm gonna say hi to Athens. I'm going as fast as I can.
Ah?
I'm going as fast as I can. Hi, Athens.
Later mo. Kapit.
Athens gonna be
Wait, here this side. It's
Can we get my coat?
so windy, huh?
Can I get my coat?
Cold.
My coat.
Why are you cold?
Please.
What man? This one, guys, is the hospital. Wijek Community Hospital. Papunta tayo sa park. Yeah, let's go. Let's go here. Oh. You're
As long as I'm going as fast as this in front of you, I can still be in front of you. Right?
right. Right. That's good. And go left, go left. Come here. Watch out.
Step on.
Go left. Kay mag-trail ta.
I don't like trails if it's muddy.
That's not mud. Oh, yeah, go right.
Here?
Yeah.
It's not faster than I usually bike.
See? This is the park. And this is the baseball. Hoy, pwede na magkalaro ng ano? Pickleball.
Ah, it's so bumpy. I'm vibrating.
And that's a trail.
Oh, my legs.
Huh? What happened to your legs?
They're tired.
Huh? Tired. Pila pa lang ka minutes tired na. What the heck? Huh?
It's because I'm kind of.
Oh, what happened to the ice skating ring? It's gone already. Let's go. Almost the road.
Oh, and I'm skating near the pool now.
Huh?
I'm skating near the pool.
But the pool's got renovated. Kita. There's a lot of ano, geese. Geese is coming back to Canada. Let's go. Wala ko pagod na yung isa. Ito yun, no. Nagpatakbo ng mabilis. Tara, habulin natin. Let's go. Alright. Well, let's go straight.
Dog.
Huh?
This is like the grandma's house.
Yeah. And here, before you go on, watch left and right. And it's free, let's go.
Almost fell.
Why?
Because I was standing. I was like this.
Oh.
I want to take off my gloves.
Yeah. Dito na kami sa Wishek. Ride. Oh, careful, there's a car. Hey baby, let's go. Thank you. Alright. Saka maganda dito kasi pag makikita nila nagbabike ka, hihintayin ka talaga nila na makadaan. Yes.
And I bet you want the cat.
Yeah. So, ito lang. Maganda kasi yung weather. I think it's a positive 8. So, pwede na pang biking muna. Ikot-ikot lang dito sa Wishek. Let's go straight.
Look at this.
Ano?
Tatay, look.
Yeah. Ito na yung mga bahay nila dito. Hindi naman gaano kalaki yung Wishek. Ang daming mga ibon, no? Bawal yan i-hunting. Ah. Woo! Big one. This one you need to check first. Side by side, yeah.
Tatay, can you do this?
Later. Oh, see, go. Pantay, oh. Go. There's a car. There you go. Here on the side. Yeah.
My jaw is hurting.
What? Huh?
My jaw is hurting.
Right, so let's go. Wait, my phone is dead. Hala. Ah, here, go straight.
Oh, downhill, I hate downhill.
Okay, sige, go there.
Oh, I don't want to go down.
Ha?
I want to go down. Oh, the lake.
Wala na may road ya.
I didn't know there was.
There's no road ya. To go there.
Where?
There's no road.
Look how fast I'm going.
Yeah, go left. Yeah.
Hi, doggy. Ow.
Ah, let's go. What happened? Ah. Okay, go back. Go downhill. Then go right na yun. You go first.
Wow.
Oh, go right. Go right. Sige, faster para makaanggas ka. Sige, stand up like this, oh. Like this. Where? Oh, let's go. Kaya cold naman. Ay, tuta ni ate. Dito na ta, nag-gown down dito. Nung sa magagdar. Diyan na ta, sige, cold kayo. Tara na. Eh,
That's what you do this.
of course.
Stop!
Hey, here, here, here. Uphill go. Go. Tara. Dali, kituklod ka. Go straight lang, go straight. Kay push di ka. Hey. Go straight lang ha. Go straight, I said. Dito tayo. Wrong way na.
We're downhill.
Oh, see down nila. Go right. Out left. Ah. Alright, let's go. This side, this side, this side. Go straight. Wala. Let's go. Sige.
That's Talia's house right there.
Yeah, I know. Wala. Tired na? Wala, stand up na yun. Basta uphill, stand up ka. Na. Wavy mong bike. Ano yun? Uy, side. Ano? Oh, that's like that. Oh. Oh. Ah, dali, push ka, dali, come here. Come here. Hello. Hey, father. Very good. It's Insta 360. It's camera. Okay, come here. So on, you can jump. Go! Go! Go straight. Go muna tayo kung hindi kayo. Careful. Huh? Yeah. Oop! It's so windy. Huh.
It's a robin.
Huh?
A robin type of bird.
I think it's a blue jays.
No,
Hala,
it's not blue.
let's go. Tara na. Alright.
Over.
Alright, let's go.
Almost fell.
Ah,
Again.
ikaw?
Yeah.
Ano mo feel mo ka? Basta kay na lang imo ang leg sa imo ang pedal. Not.
Oh, that's so bad.
Ha?
This bike.
Let's go. Let's go. Ah, it's sold already. Ali. Here, you go first. You go first, go. Let's go, Mr. Windy. My nose, I can feel it, my nose. Ano guys, stand up ka oh. Bayan tag mountain bike. Like tatay but small one.
Can you jump up?
Of course.
Like to this one?
Yeah. You don't see it? That I jump? Of course.
Do it. I didn't see.
Ah.
There.
Huh? Here, oh, there is the side. Go here. Go. Overtake. So, what's on ate kadali? No. Ate will be hungry. Dali, nakata dali. It's so cold. It's lisod. It's lisod. Man. Close the door. I'm done. Nice. Tapos lang namin nagbike. Medyo pawis pa, pagod. Alright, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog nito for today. At saka ito si Onsi Bugnot at your service by Mia. Oy, mo extend ko sir. Bless and love. Shout out South Dakota. Mia ninyo. Oy. Let's go.